नारियल की तरह अंदर से नरम होकर अपने सख्त रूप को दिखलाया है। मगर जब भी हमें जरूरत पड़ी है, हमें प्यार भरी फटकारों से उन्होंने सहलाया है और जिंदगी की हर राह पर उन्होंने हमें आगे बढ़ना सिखाया है। जी हाँ, मैंने भगवान के रूप में शिक्षकों को पाया है। जी हाँ, मैंने भगवान के रूप में शिक्षकों को पाया है। आज टीचर्स डे के उपलक्ष्य पर हम बीआरएस चितरंजन के छात्रों ने एक छोटी सी प्रस्तुति तैयार की है, जिसके द्वारा इस कठिन परिस्थिति में भी हम अपने शिक्षकों के कठिन संघर्ष को नमन करते हैं।
During this health situation, the only one who is trying to enlighten our future are our teachers. We didn't express this ever, but you guided us at every moment whenever we needed you.
আমরা যখন কোনো ভুল কাজ করি, আমাদেরকে সঠিক পথে এনে দেওয়ার দায়িত্ব নেন শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকারা। আজ এই শিক্ষক দিবসে আপনারা আমাদের জন্য যা কিছু করেছেন সেটার জন্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
During the situation of COVID-19, we all are locked in our houses. But the main thing that matters is the efforts of our teachers who are continuously finding new and effective ways to make our online studies more effective.
Teachers are the compounds of God and human beings. Something special, blessing of God to us. A world without teachers is a world without knowledge, that is, a deaf, dumb, blind or a paralyzed world.
शिक्षक एक ऐसा व्यक्तित्व है जिनके ना होने पर इनकी कमी आपको सख्त महसूस होती है। इनके बारे में कभी बुरा भला नहीं कहना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर ये रूठ गए तो पूरी कायनात आपसे रूठ जा सकती है। खुद को चाहते हुए भी आप माफ नहीं कर पाएंगे।
When God was facing problem to be present everywhere, He made mothers. And when mothers cannot teach everything, God made teachers. A long journey is completed, and a few miles are yet to be covered.
We cannot forget the teachers at any cost. The one who has came will survive and then go. But the teacher taught us the way how to survive.
Sir, we will also not forget those absolute quotations which you used to tell us. That class is too much horrible. This class is most better.
Be quiet भी हमें हमेशा याद रहेगा, और वो प्रिंसिपल मैम राउंड में है वो भी हम नहीं भूल पाएंगे। आप सभी शिक्षक हमें बहुत याद आएंगे जब हम स्कूल छोड़कर चले जाएंगे।
अगर कभी भी भूले भटके हमसे कोई भी गलती हुई हो, तो इस टीचर्स डे के मौके पर हम आपसे माफी मांगना चाहेंगे। हमें माफ कर दीजिए, वरना हम खुद को कभी माफ नहीं कर पाएंगे। आप लोगों ने हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, बस हमेशा आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए।
of virtual celebration of Teachers' Day of Barpur Riverside School, Chittaranjan. On 5th September, we pay homage to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who loved to be recognized as a teacher instead of his high-profile identity of the President of India. Teachers play the most important role in the upbringing of a person. We are blessed to have such teachers who always teach and guide us with their love and affection. Now, I am going to recite a poem for our respected and beloved teachers. Why God Made Teachers by Kevin William Huff. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see, and to become a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow, so that we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Why God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us learn to make our world a better, wiser place. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers' Day. Teaching is the one profession that creates and embodies the other profession. It is one of the most noble professions, and teachers are the most respected person in society. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated nationwide. It is celebrated on 5th September on the occasion of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday, who was our former president and scholar. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated to show our love and respect for our teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They have vital influence in our community. They teach the children to become an ideal citizen in future. The relation between the teacher and student is defined. We should always respect our teachers and obey their words to become a good student and future citizen. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teacher, principal ma'am, and all my dear friends. I am Kritika Kumari from class 4A, standing here to say Teachers' Day poem. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the honor of the Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Today is the birthday of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Some teachers are sweet, some are delight, some are funny, some are always right, some are boring, some are kind. But you are the heart to live, because in every possible day you motivate and inspired us day after day. You did not teach from books, you taught of the pages of your life. You did not teach letters and words, you also taught how to deal with style. You did not give us grades, you assessed as a person. You did not give us confidence, you pushed us until we won. You are the teacher who opened my mind to new thought, who taught me to explore. Thank you.
गाड़ी का आवाज